Welcome back to JK McLeod. What I'm doing now is repairing the duckbill valves on McCulloch 80cc caps. The original duck valve is pretty sizable, but given that they're damn near 60 years old, the rubber's gone. Sometimes it turns to mush. You can see all the earthly remains of the old duckbill valve on my hands. So what I do is I take standard duckbill valve. You get it for Poland, or pick them up on flea pretty cheap. And I take a number 6 stainless steel washer and a little bit of filing just to get it 6-sided, semi. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. A little moto seal along the base. And that's it. You've ever played Operation as a kid, and they're like that. Pull down to the end so you don't pull it out. With the nail, and once it dries, that's it. Perfectly good duckbill valve. And all you have to do after that is take the little, I guess, bronze or brass breather element, pop it in the hole with a little more motor seal around the end of it, and you're good. Managed to save number 4. There you go. I'm working on these caps here. Okay, once I start them, I got a few here. I tried, some of them were leaking. Now, if you're lucky enough to get the original duckbill valve out of this that's still intact, this one here is dry. It wouldn't close. So what I did was, with an X-Acto, cut the duckbill part off it with a little bit of moto seal, put a brand new duck valve on the inside, sealed it up. Let me see if we can get that in focus, and then pop that back in. So now, functioning duckbill valve, and once it dries, it should be tight. You notice in the center there's a little opening. What I do is I take a small piece of material, filter material, get it down inside there, and when you put the lid on, this little disc here with a hole in the center, it'll prevent the dirt from getting down into the duckbill valve and clogging it up.